Hi, my lovelies, doing my morning routine, feeding my birds and my poultry pen. So look at my bells, they are just 2 weeks. Look at them. You seen them? They are just 2 weeks. 2 weeks old. How are they doing? Are they big? Let me grab one eating. Wow. 2 weeks. No shit for my body. No, they had not to shit. This is 2 weeks. Patronize me. These 2 weeks, I'm feeding them well. Morning, afternoon, night. 24 hours, 247. Feeding them. These 2 weeks. You see? 2 weeks. I love my business. It's just a small farm. It's just a very small farm. Containing just 100 beds. It's small. For my level, oh, I don't get money. For my level, see another one. Two weeks bed, broilers. This is broiler. Look at the feet. This one are meat. So everything for the body na meat except the feather will be for pillow. I noticed that majority of these birds are male. Majority of them are male. They are 2 weeks. I'll be selling them from 6 weeks. 5, 6 weeks, they are ready to go. 5, 6 weeks, they are ready to go because I'm feeding them well. Yes, I'm in my pen, my poultry farm. This morning, it's sunny. You know, here in the north, sun they come out on time. 7 o'clock, sun don't feel everywhere. And cold day. I'm inside my pen. I just fetch some manure to go and put on my plants. My ogo that want to buy, I can't manure go put there. But maybe the manure no go kill. I know say manure too the kill plant. I enjoy seeing this bird, honestly. Are you the type of poultry farmer that don't eat your bird? Come make we do committee. I love farming. I love my birds. Look at them. This one want to peck me. This one want to peck me now. This one's stubborn. This one's stubborn like. See, this one's stubborn. I don't want to compare with anybody. See, it's stubborn. But my fear, as I hold them so, when they no go shit for my baby shit. Now my logo. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video. This is broilers. I'm rearing broilers. This is 100 birds here. No mortality. The only mortality I had is rat invaded my pen and ate only 3 out of the 100. So they are 97 now. No mortality. That's natural mortality. It's an accident they had. And they are doing fine. They are doing fine. I'm a pro concerning poultry. I've been doing it for a very long time. Patronize me. I'm in Zaria. Zaria babe. See you in my next video. Bye.